हेलो मेरे प्यारे दोस्त। मेरे पास एक ऐसी बहन है जिससे अगर G is located a few centimeters inside the vagina, near the bladder. It's a nerve-rich area that, when stimulated, can produce heightened pleasure. Remember, every woman's anatomy and sensitivity differ. G-spot is located a few centimeters inside the vagina, near the bladder. It's a nerve-rich area that, when stimulated, can produce heightened pleasure. Remember, every woman's anatomy and
Hi, Karan.
So good evening. Am I audible?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, Abhi on your video.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Ritesh, please turn on your camera as well. It's not visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, it is now.
Okay. Okay. So Videsh, can you tell me something about yourself and please keep it short?
Sir, I'm Avitesh, and currently I'm working in Luxury Preferred LLP, and I'm handling lead generation project, which is a data collecting, and my role is as a DevOps engineer, like junior DevOps engineer.
Okay. And what are the all technologies that you have worked on as a DevOps engineer?
Sir, we use Terraform, IS for infrastructure, and for automation, shell scripting and Python and Kubernetes and Docker. Containers. Wait. For containerization, for use Docker, Kubernetes, and for monitoring Prometheus and Grafana.
Okay, cool. So let's start with Docker. Can you explain me that if we have a Docker image of 2 GB, then how can we reduce its size?
If Docker image 2 GB, so how can reduce? First of all, sir, I search in Stack Follow, and Stack Follow use AI mostly.
So what will be the suggestions that AI will give?
If I searching, then I know.
Okay.
So basically, I am my whole working is like mostly I use AI for fasting work.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So can you explain me that how have you implemented Kubernetes in any of your applications till now?
Sir, Kubernetes use my senior DevOps, but only they give me like creating users, value.yaml file, something minimal change. So I have experience on Kubernetes minimum.
Okay. Can you explain me
Yeah.
a basic infrastructure of microservices based architecture like Kubernetes?
Basic, like sir.
like how an application that has been deployed in microservices architecture, how it actually works.
Sir, it's working on pods.
Okay. And
Yeah.
can, can you help me in understanding that if we have a domain that has been
Yes.
running a web application on microservice architecture, how the request from the end user will reach to a particular pod?
Sir, please once again, sir.
I'm saying that if we have a microservices based architecture for a web
Okay.
application, which
Okay.
which has a domain, okay.
Domain.
So if that domain gets hit by the user, then how that request will reach to the pod?
Something in mind, but to reach it domain and user. Mm, Through website link, sir.
What?
Through AWS, like cloud. You asking cloud, sir, about cloud based application, right?
Any kind of application, either it is on cloud or is it on premises servers. I am
Hmm.
asking that if we have deployed, suppose we have deployed Geo Hotstar, which is our web application.
Geostar.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If we will hit the domain www.geohotstar.com/login, okay,
Hmm.
it will open a login page, correct?
Yes, sir. Open login page. Yes, sir.
Okay, when you will be adding your username and password and clicking on
Hmm.
sign up, then how
Hmm.
will the request will reach to the Kubernetes pod?
No, sir. I don't
Okay,
got this.
no issues, no issues. Can you tell me something about Terraform, that how it actually works?
Sir, Terraform, we use for one click and my website is deployed. Like we can we working on AWS. We create the infrastructure like intense security group, PAM key, and many more things are for infrastructure. Like I create a website for my company for finance team for automation tools. My company finance team, so they have issues, something like many issues. I resolve their issues for
Okay,
automation. So I create the website for my company and yeah, using Terraform. And uh, I use mostly GitHub Action for CI/CD.
okay. GitHub Action for CI/CD. Can you
Yes.
explain me a proper workflow of CI/CD starting from your source code management, that is GitHub, to deploying it to a Kubernetes pod?
Sir, when I come this company, then there is all servers is a local servers, right? Like own premises. So then I join and my seniors we create we create a infrastructure in Terraform. Like first we push the code in GitHub, and then we create Terraform infrastructure uh, for all the website and all login users, everything. And after GitHub push the code, then we create a workflow for GitHub Action. And before GitHub Action, we create the dockerize the images, and then we create workflow YAML file, and then we exchange the security keys and secret variables. we give, and then we start the, then we Terraform in it, and my website is in my CICD pipelining. Like if anything change, then we anything commit in GitHub, and after 2-3 minutes we change the whole website for anything minimum change.
Okay. In a CI/CD pipeline, can you explain me the use case of using Sonar Cube in that?
Sir, Sonar Cube we use in mostly Jenkins. I don't use in GitHub, but we saw the
What's the
in
actual, yeah, what's the actual
sir
use case
quality
of using
sir
Sonar?
sir code quality check. Well, we minimum in
Okay.
80%.
And what kind of checks we can do with Sonar Cube?
Then we saw the my code quality is good. Then we go for it. If if my code quality is poor, then we back in for our developers for changing.
Okay. How,
Yeah.
how Sonar Cube justifies that code quality is poor or good?
Sir, we enter the value. We want like minimum is 70 or 80% for good
What
quality.
kind, what's that particular value that we use
Like
to increase it?
like doubles या code like code large तो नहीं हो रहा, and for similar things for finding.
Okay, so these are the test cases that SonarCube runs so that we can get the minimum threshold of 70 or 80%. And if
Yes,
that's
sir.
get passed, then only get committed, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So in Grafana, can you tell me what are the data sources and why are they used?
Sir, Grafana used for monitoring. Like we set up with Prometheus. Prometheus is Grafana is values, and Grafana this value is a like dashboard. Other CPU, RAM, processing, anything we watch for checking our website, monitoring.
Okay. And if we want to check the application level logs over the Grafana dashboard, then how can we do that?
Sorry, sir.
If we want to check the application level logs over the Grafana dashboard, then how can we do that?
We can check, sir. Prometheus log maybe for
Okay.
no.
Have you listened about the data source called Loki?
Loki data. Yes, sir. I had the Loki for I know the Loki. Uh,
Yeah. So what's the use case of
Loki.
using the data source of Loki?
Sir, I heard about the Loki. Loki for use is Loki for use. Loki for use. Sir, I know that, but I I am Loki for uh, I don't
Okay.
know. Yeah,
Okay. The
I
Loki
know,
dash.
but I have not the Loki experience. Like,
Yeah,
that's why.
Loki data source is actually used to get the application level logs over the Grafana dashboard.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. And can you tell me why do we use Tomcat web servers and why are they used?
Tomcat server, sir. We use mostly for website, but why use Tomcat? Is Python we use? Nahin. Sir, I work on Tomcat server. and for use our for website HTML base maybe. सर टोमकैट यूज सर हम वेबसाइट के लिए करते हैं ना, अपनी जो वेबसाइट डिप्लॉय करनी है टोमकैट सर्वर पे मतलब। तो क्यों करते
बिल्कुल।
हैं सर? आई डोंट नो सर, क्यों करते हैं?
Okay, no issues. Mm-hmm. Okay, your resume shows that you have stronghold and experience over AWS services.
यस सर।
Yeah, so can you tell me what's the use case of using IAM service in AWS?
सर आई एम सर्विस ए रोल like Terraform. Like I have give a user in IAM role, and I use configuration like access key and create. मैं Terraform को IAM role के थ्रू एक यूजर क्रिएट करके उसको एक्सेस की दे के वहां से मैं एक्सेस कर पाऊंगा AWS को। जैसे लाइक टेराफॉर्म में मैं अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को AWS कॉन्फ़िगर करने के लिए मुझे IAM रोल की जरूरत पड़ेगी।
Correct.
Same as S3 and same like AWS CLI for CLI. So,
Okay. Okay. In AWS, can you tell me what's the use case of using code deploy?
sorry sir, but
There is a service in AWS called code deploy. What's the use of that particular service?
code deploy is- code, de- code deploy is similar in Jenkins for AWS like EKS maybe ECR
No, EKS is all.
ECS
ECR is a container registry that is used
container registry,
for
हाँ okay
storing
okay
the
okay
Docker image.
sorry sir, sorry वो Docker image, yeah. Code deploy similar is Jenkins maybe sir. Jenkins. I read about again that sir. Sorry for this
Okay,
code deploy.
no issues, no issues. Okay, so your resume shows that you are working as a DevOps engineer since June 2019 till now.
Yes sir.
So what, yeah, so what are the major projects on which you have worked on and build CI/CD pipelines for them or created a full system architecture for that?
Sir, I create the first project I have. I am work in 2019, but I am handle the project in 2024. Like सीखते सीखते सर मैं थोड़ा उस कंपनी में मैंने वो काम किया। एंड मैंने जो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था वो लीड जनरेशन था, जिसको मैंने गिटहब एक्शन से आपको बताया कि कैसे मैंने उनका जो ऑन प्रीमिस पे था, जो मैं गिटहब एक्शन से उनका ऑटोमेट किया वो पूरा।
ठीक है, मतलब उनकी सर्विसेज ऑन प्रेमाइसेस पे चलती थी, आपने
यस
गिटहब एक्शंस के थ्रू उसको ऑटोमेट किया।
हाँ, फर्स्ट मैंने माइग्रेट किया AWS पे गिटहब के थ्रू। उसके बाद मैंने फिर जो डोकराइज इमेजेस कंटेनर किया, कंटेनराइज किया इमेज डोकर के थ्रू। एंड फिर मैंने गिटहब वर्क फ्लो पे बनाया, एंड देन साइड लाइक दिस इज माय मिनिमम
Okay.
मतलब project for first project sir.
So here's a market level question that comes in my mind, that if the whole market right now is moving from data centers to cloud, then why don't you guys tell your client to move from data centers to cloud, as it's more hectic to maintain a web application over a data center?
uh, if if sir please once more sir, if
Sorry.
sir I don't hear sir, please
Okay.
tell.
I'm saying that whole market right now is moving from data centers or on premises to cloud like AWS, GCP, Azure.
Okay, boss.
So
Okay.
why don't have you suggested your clients to move from on premises data center to a cloud platform, which will be much more beneficial for a DevOps engineer and your technical team as well?
Yes, sir. Sir, first we tell our client for minimum cost, and not the physical servers. If the your if in future your business is down, then you do not lose your servers, which is the physical in your company. Then we
Okay.
use for cloud for costing.
Okay. So according to you, which can be a more beneficial thing for the client for deployment of the services over on premises or over the cloud?
Over the cloud, sir. Cloud.
So what will be the benefits of moving from on premises to cloud?
Sir, first benefit is like you do not buy heavy servers, and then your cloud server only uh, you have to, मतलब तुम्हारा पैसा बचेगा अगर तुम क्लाउड पे जाओगे, और जितना यूज करोगे उतना ही पैसा, मतलब उतना ही कोस्टिंग लगेगा। तो जो आपका फिजिकल सर्वर्स पड़े हैं वो मतलब ज्यादा ज्यादा कोस्टिंग बैठ जाएगा उसके रिगार्डिंग इन
वही
फ्यूचर।
मैं भी वही पॉइंट बोल रहा हूँ कि जब आपका क्लाइंट आपके पास आया ऑन प्रेमाइसिस
हम्म
सर्वर्स पे वेब एप्लीकेशन डिप्लॉय करने के लिए, तो आप
हम्म
लोगों को उन्हें वो सजेस्ट करना चाहिए था कि आप क्लाउड पे मूव करें।
हाँ सर, मैंने यही तो किया AWS पे।
ओके, तो आपने AWS पे डिप्लॉय किया कि आपने ऑन प्रेमाइसिस सर्वर्स पे डिप्लॉय किया था गिटहब एक्शंस में?
मैंने मैंने ऑन प्रीमिसेस से क्लाउड पे लेके आया डेटा सारा उनका, माइग्रेट किया
ओके।
लोकल से सीधा क्लाउड पे।
हाँ, आपने जब उसे माइग्रेट किया उनकी वेब एप्लीकेशन को AWS पे, तो
हम्म
उसमें क्या क्या सर्विसेज यूज किया आपने?
सर, मैंने फर्स्ट यूज किया अपना फर्स्ट फर्स्ट वी यूज उनका डेटा। पहले मैंने गिटहब पे पुश किया उनका सारा डेटा, जो था मेरा डेटा सारा वहां पे लेके गया गिटहब पे। फिर मैंने टेराफॉर्म का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया उनकी उनकी इंस्टेंस टाइप एंड उबंटू सर्वर पे किया था मैंने, एंड सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप से लगाए। टेराफॉर्म इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैंने बना के उसके बाद मैंने वो जो उनकी वेब थी वो मैंने को डोकर कंट्राइज किया, और कंटेनर्स के बाद मैंने गिटहब एक्शन से वेरिएबल एंड उनके एक्शन सीक्रेट जो भी है आपस में की एक्सचेंज करके मैंने गिटहब सॉरी वर्क फ्लो बनाया। उसके बाद मैंने गिटहब एक्शन से कोड कमिट करके चेक किया तो साइट ऑन थी सर।
ओके, तो जब आपकी साइट ऑन हुई तो
हम्म
आपके एक पर्टिकुलर आईपी पे ऑन हुई होगी वो वेबसाइट, तो वो
हाँ सर, फर्स्ट तो सर माय माय पब्लिक आईपी पे स्टार्ट हुई थी। देन वी
हाँ, तो वो पब्लिक
देन वी हाँ, ये सर।
वो पब्लिक आईपी आपके इंस्टेंस की थी, आपके लोड बैलेंसर की थी?
वो सर मेरी लोड बैलेंस की थी, सॉरी आई आई फॉरगेट, लोड बैलेंसर की थी सर वो मेरी।
ओके।
लोड बैलेंसर
और
का
आप
एंड पॉइंट था जो मैंने गो डैडी पे उनकी वेबसाइट का जो था जो नेम था
करे
उनके वहां पे
करे उससे
मैंने
आपने बाइंड,
कनेक्ट किया। यस सर, यस यस।
ठीक
सॉरी
है।
सर, आई
तो
फॉरगेट।
जो जो आपका सर्वर था उस सर्वर को आपने लोड बैलेंसर से कैसे कनेक्ट किया?
सिंपल सर्विस है वो, मैंने मैनुअल किया था AWS की साइट पे। जो लोड बैलेंसर का ऑप्शन है, पहले टारगेट्स ग्रुप बनाए, फिर लोड बैलेंसर बनाया। उसके बाद उनको टारगेट किया कि मिनिमम कितनी मेरे पास सर्वर होने चाहिए, मैक्सिमम कितने जाने चाहिए, वो सब उस पे सेट किया सर।
करेक्ट। ओके, so that's all from my side, Vitesh.
यस सर।
Okay, Amisha, that's all from my side.
Okay, sure, Karan. So, Avitesh, you can leave for now, and I will provide you the update as soon as possible. Okay.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच,
Sure.
थैंक यू सर,
Thank you for your time.
Thank
Bye.
you. Everything.
थैंक यू सर।